di ba
John po.
si Jesus, hindi siya nakialam sa politika. Di ba? Kaya nga nung pinresent ni Poncio Pilato, sino palalayain ko ngayon? Festival. Ito si Barabas, kuha sa Patriot, or ito si Jesus. Ang pinili ng mga taga-Jerusalem, si Barabas kasi siya yung sikat, siya yung Patriot. Hindi si
rebelde
Julius.
siya eh. Pero
Yeah.
baka pragmatic din si Jesus. Dahil alam niya, pag inaway mo yung Roma, ubos kayo. Ganun yung ginawa ng Rome sa Jerusalem. Talagang sinunog di ba? Nung lumaban sila. Kaya
Render unto Caesar.
Kaya sinabi niya, render unto Caesars what is Caesar's, and to God unto God. Dahil nung panahon na yon, pag nilabanan mo yung Rome,
Ubus kayo.
ubos kayo.
Brutal sila.
But also remember nung panahon ng community pantry nung pandemic, maraming nagulat doon sa kasabihan na kumalat na to each according to his needs.
Each according
Pero
to
hindi si Jesus yun.
Get what you
But it's Marx.
need.
It's actually Marx.
Get what you need.
Get what you need.
Yeah, it's
diba?
one of his writings eh.
Pero hindi si Jesus yung
Hindi nga si Jesus, yeah. It's Marx, pero a lot of people were shocked na, it's Marx, so it must be communism.
Oo. May negative connotation
Diba?
agad.
But not necessarily.
What do you mean? It's a Marxist saying.
It's
So
not, well, yung sabi nga, for example, sabi nga ni Ronald, di ba? You have influences from several people. You don't necessarily adopt the entirety of what they tell you. Diba? It's a point where you pick what you need and pick what you think.
Hindi, di ba kami? Technically kasi, Catholic kami. Lumaki kami bilang
Technically.
Katoliko, di ba? Pero maganda, yung ethos ng Protestantism, protest nga eh. Nagprotesta sila dun sa mga weaknesses ng Catholicism.
When Martin
Kaya,
Luther
my point
nailed
kasi
his manifesto to the door.
Yung community pantry, may background yung organizer nun nasa organizing. Yun lang.
Kaya
Yun
na-
ang point of book.
Kaya na
Hindi yun random.
haluan.
Hindi yun random.
Yung very specific.
Alam mo niya sinasabi niya.
Very specific.
Alam niya sinasabi niya.